Minecraft.
Oh, Meban.
Neman.
Oh, Neman.
Oh.
Ah, jauh. Wah. So beautiful. See, you can swim here. You can bring your suit, Taihan, man. Hello, guys. Welcome back.
My channel.
And now we are here in Riskai Park, which is located in Sora, in ahead of Kardan Cave, which we call in Mao Dok Nur. So from Mao Dok Nur till here, around 4 kilometer or 3 kilometers. So if you want, you can come. I'll show you exactly what. Where are you going, bhai? Where are you going?
Sirapanji Jaya.
Sirapanji. The way, because they made the way is easy to walk. I'll show you. This is the way we are going now. This place they just recently opened. Oh. Kak No. Ano? Pak Meroy. No money. Hah? Amso. Arngot.
Private station.
Guys, you have to pay per person to 100. Vậy. Lấy gì nhỉ?
Cây, đừng cầm cây chị ấy nè.
Em dạy gì? Nghe bela. Ya melin deh.
Oh.
Lah melin dạy thì gitu lah sang keleng-keleng. Tang super tay dạy.
Em ba, su ông đã là phơi sắc tay dan dengan atau itu. Tak tahu. Masalah di Pak.
Biang hỉ, là để bà đơn lưu ta để lòng. Guys, 100 per person. Ya, sino na. Biang hỉ, ya sa viewpoint niya.
Minecraft.
Oh, Meban.
Neman.
Oh, Neman.
Oh.
Oh, kedai cekal jeng pi.
Oh.
Oh. Labun beribuan sini.
Badan ni.
Oh. So guys, this is our guide to lead us because there are so many ways in the middle. So he will guide us. Ya ira wood oh, thachnya. Dah melian long ta jai kan. Abawan kai di punya jai pej em, jaka. The place is good, man. It's quite. What to say? No one is there, but I don't know. There is someone or not, but right now. Sorry. Around here, so there's a waterfall, but where we are going now also there's waterfall, but this one we cannot go. There is no way. Oh my god. Wait, man.
Biang lah screenshot baik.
Huh?
Dur, biang screenshot baik.
This is the way, bye. You have to go down. You can take your girlfriend or boyfriend here. The place is safe. Oh, nice, eh, that waterfall. That one.
Và cầm đơn người tư giác chứ.
Oh,
Ini baik.
nang no ngi tangi start tangi ya.
Tư giác chứ kok.
Nanti bodon dopai.
Nama sana di bonde di spot sih lah tadi.
Oh. Nang ni itu 1 minit simpar.
Jangan yang gitu soal itu.
Chal. Ni tidak ni nih, ngilai tangi ru.
Kan apa ini?
Kebiang ngilai tangi mah.
Ya itu.
Oh.
Ngaram di poi di situ ya oleh mai.
Oh, dah mulai sa ayo. Guys, we are going to one the waterfall. There's no way around here, but sin. Oh man, ayah. Sin we used to trek. There's no problem if there's no way.
Tuh bang apa ni leh?
Tips
One
try.
lang. Wala.
One lang kay.
Huh?
One lang. Oh. If you want to come this side, if you don't want
One.
to enter this waterfall, so no problem. Just go that tourist spot. This is not the part of tourist spot.
Đây một khí không?
Oh, my. Yano! Yano! We have to come from there. That one. Then I have to come from here. This one is a viewpoint. And you can sit here with your girlfriend and talk, and then you can climb here for a picture. Woo. Woo. Don't miss this place, guys. It's very beautiful. Whoa! Don't miss this place. And from here, we'll go down. And that one. If there is rain, you can sit here. Now, back to waterfall. Can you hear, guys, the waterfall? Oh, what is that? I'll show you. See? This way. This is the one you have to go up. Okay? Now, I'll go there. Hey! Wait! Up! Oh, this one you have to climb. Whoa! Nice, man. Waterfall. Nice. Nice. Waterfall, guys. We'll go up. We'll go on top of that. So wait and watch. There is one more waterfall. So hot. This place. Oh, so beautiful.
Lại bên này. Đây lòng lại bên này.
Guys, around here From here I can see it similar to bamboo trek. So tired. I'll go that one on top. As I say, the place is so beautiful. Hey, Tenat! Wow. Have to climb that bridge. Small Jingking, small bridge. Jingking bridge. Whoa. Look at that guy. Guys. Go. If like this, then similar to Maurengkang. A bamboo trek. But this is not bamboo trek. Whoa! Oh my God! Guys, now we are on top of the viewpoint. This is the top of the viewpoint of this Sky Park. Park, not fall. You can see park down there. See the one. Now we'll go to this one. It's hot. This side also. Whoa, this stone, man. I'll show you guys. Ah. Whoa. Look, you mean to steal what we call this sopan in English? Jackfruit. Yeah, jackfruit. I mean to steal jackfruit. This is called maubena, but I don't know in English. This is maubena. Kayung tuh, seberap. Tolong bam. Guys, this is in Kasi seberap. Seberap tepik ya. Yang im, tuh. Ai bam mana nih. Tolong deh. Ah, jauh. Wah. Whoa. I think this is the last viewpoint. I'll show you guys. Then after we'll go to waterfall. After that, we'll go home. This place is located ahead of Garden Cave, 4 to 3 kilometers from there. The road is very good, no problem. If you bring BMW, Lamborghini also, it can come here, no problem, no issue. Oh my God! Whoa! देखो ये. I'll eat this one. This one is already, what to say? Pin bam. Pilih kayak dangdon. I lang ini. Yo, give me some. Tuh ayam tuh deh. Parlok. friends. What to say in English? In Kasi, what do you equal mah? I don't know in English what do you equal. I got some energy. Ini aja, serum nasi neng. Serum. Technician.
Lagi shot.
Oh.
Boleh susah je.
Ini. First, we'll go this one under this toilet. If we go this one, direct to the waterfall. And we want to see something else, we'll go from here, okay? Whoa. This our guide. He's generous, man. He gave us a brap also. Oh my God. I'll show you guys. This is the place. Whoa. You won't regret. Please come this side. There's waterfall, the house on top of the tree. Whoa. And resang. What? I don't know. Jumping on top the tree. Pong pong thing. Whoa. You won't regret, man. Really. You won't regret. Come. Whoa. Waterfall around here. Our legend. Come. Whoa. Ayah, so tahan, man. That one, that's the last waterfall. See? Water coming from everywhere. Look. That one. Hah? Oh ya, kita. Kemut, habihar nanti na Tuan sa lang. Now. Whoa. Now, wait guys. I'll show you the waterfall. Look at this. Tell me, who does not want to visit this beautiful waterfall? Whoa, the place so nice. Wow. So good, man. So good this place. You won't regret. Come and visit. You can swim here. You can bring your swimming suit. Okay. But for us right now, because no one tell us, so no swimming suit, nothing else. You not swim. Okay.
Right.
To the parking. Look, that's waterfall. See, I'll tell you, if you want to come from this way, so it's okay. If you want to go from another way, it's okay. Two ways you can go, no problem. And whoa, what a view, man. Look at this. Come and visit, guys. You won't regret. See you on my next video. Bye bye.